Good morning, today is Friday the 10th of October. Just doing a quick analysis on NQ and ES. So starting off with the daily time frame, as you can see, yesterday we took the previous day high and closed a bearish candle on both NQ and ES. However, yesterday I do feel that was more of a retracement to then push higher. I'll explain that further in the video, but we did also tap an order block here. So let's drop down to the 6-hour time frame. Same concept. We came down, and again there was an end mug there where we tapped in on Tuesday, which I've already mentioned, and price has brought it back up, creating new all-time highs. And then yesterday again dropped down into the 6-hour fair value gap. It didn't actually inverse this one because it has got a little volume imbalance there. Came down, and it's now pushing up. On ES, similar thing, came into the fair value gap. This is also a balanced price range, and then it has got a bearish fair value gap here, which looks at the moment it is respecting. And there are also SMTs at the highs within the 6-hour fair value gap, where ES did actually take its equal highs for London to Asia, and NQ didn't. But that's not something I'm looking at right now because I am bullish on the higher time frame. So on the 4-hour, same thing, pushed up, came back into a fair value gap here, and it looks like we're pushing up. We haven't done a CISD yet, but I do think the draw today is a previous day high. I'm also going to drop down to the 1-hour with time frame alignment with daily time frame. As you can see here, I'm just going to do a quick range now what's here of this leg and see if this 1-hour fair value gap is below 50%. I think it will be. Okay, as you can see, yeah, 50% of that leg up is the 1-hour fair value gap. I would like to see some sort of buy opportunities around here. I know ES is looking a bit different here. It's not inverse its fair value gap. It's just accumulating, but it also has got a fair value gap there. So I'm not going to really concentrate on ES at the moment because I do feel like it is the weaker pair. It's not pushing up, but that could just catch up later. But on ES, what I'm seeing is we dropped into discount yesterday, pushed up on the 1-hour, done a CISD, leaving a fair value gap here, another fair value gap here. So I would like to see some sort of buy opportunities around the 0.5, which is also obviously where the 1-hour fair value gap is. If we drop down to the sessions, if you have a look at the 15-minute, let me delete this for now. Okay, as I mentioned before, equal highs there, where London took Asia, but well, not really took it, but left equals, and NQ didn't. So what I would like to see now, I would like to see price push lower around here. There's also 3 o'clock price, which it a lot of time respects. So I'm not going to be trading just yet. I am going to be waiting until 6 a.m, which is another 20 minutes. So I'll see what New York Open does for me. I would like to see, like I said, come lower and then buy up. That is my draw liquidity today, previous day high. Even though ES isn't looking like it wants to push higher, I do feel like it might potentially catch up later on. But again, that's just because I'm seeing previous day on the target doesn't mean that's a guaranteed target. But that's what I'll be looking for today. Yeah, but yeah, it's a Friday, so I'm going to be trading. We have news today at 3 o'clock. So I won't be trading for the open. I have a busy day on a Friday, but I will be looking for opportunities from 6 a.m. But yeah, that's all for today.